How to stop screen turning off while calling on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now for this process, what you can do is just go directly to the settings of your device and then scroll down to the notifications and control center. Then tap on items shown. After that, you can see the option of smart home over here at the bottom of the screen, but right now we cannot click on it. So we're going to go back and then tap on the search bar over here on the settings and search for smart stay and then search for it. Here comes the smart home. Tap on it, then make sure that you have toggled it on. So as you toggle this on, you'll be able to have your screen turned on while calling as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.